In this video, I'll detail how to activate Siri on iPad Air. So if you have an iPad Air and you press and hold the home button like this is going to wake Siri and you'll be prompted to turn on Siri on your iPad Air. So basically here in this video, I'll show you how to turn on Siri or how you can activate Siri on your iPad Air. So if you're done with this video, you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now to turn on Siri or activate Siri on your iPad Air, all you just need to do is click on the settings icon. Then on the settings page, scroll down. Click on Siri and search. Then under Siri and search, locate Ask Siri and turn on Listen for Hey Siri or Siri. Then choose support that says Enable Siri. Turn this on. Then once you click on that, choose support that says Set up Hey Siri. Then go ahead and click on the Continue button. Then Hey Siri. You need to say Hey Siri to your iPad. Hey Siri, send a message. Hey Siri, send a message. Hey Siri, what is the weather like today? Hey Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, then Hey Siri, play some music. That's it. So you see, Hey Siri is ready. Then go ahead and click on Done. Then after that, you can just come here, enable press home for Siri. So if you press and hold the home button on your iPad, it's going to wake Siri. Then you can also change your Siri language and then the Siri voice. So once that is done, just hit the back button. And then whenever you want to use Siri, just press and hold the home button on your iPad. Then you see. So once you are done setting this up, then you should be able to use Hey Siri on your iPad. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.